Hey, I'm Kevin Guzward, and I'm going to show you how to do the Hollywoodian beard at home. The first thing you're going to want to do is start clean. Wash your beard with some warm water, towel it dry, and then brush it down. The next thing you're going to want to do is trim your cheeks. You're going to start with the sideburn and work your way down, removing some of that hair in the upper cheek. Now we're going to get into trimming the neckline. We're going to start right below the chin, then we're going to work our way up the jawline to one side, and then we're going to work our way to the other side. Now we're going to connect the mustache to the beard, leaving these two vertical strips. Okay, so you got the beard lined up. Now it's time to sculpt the soul patch. It's important to use the edge of the trimmer to create the U shape below the mouth. All right, now it's time to tidy things up. You're gonna wanna grab that guide comb of your choice. I prefer the 2.5 because I like to keep my beard a little bit longer. I'm actually gonna trim my entire beard with that 2.5. And as soon as I get higher towards my ear, I'm going to switch that to a 2. And then to a 1.5 to create the fade. Lastly, we're going to finish up with some beard balm. I like to take a dab of it, put it in my palm, and then work it through my beard. All right, and that's how you achieve the Hollywoodian beard at home.